Till this day, my most precious possession and the dearest to my heart is the piece I found when I was a kid. Often me and my nature and antics-loving grandfather used to play with sea sand. Suddenly, we found this piece, and for a small kid, it felt like finding a treasure. From that day on, my grandfather's passion transferred to me, and I became obsessed with nature and its beauty, diversity, antiques, secrets, and hidden treasures. This passion grew in me and turned into a hobby, and today, my hobby has become my whole life. The obsession with discovering the unknown and searching for precious things, diamonds and their shine and luster. Gold signifies luxury since the oldest civilizations until the present day. Water is the spirit of life. I found all of these with Next Labs, your way to the hidden world.